As an exporter from India, you must know about these 5 government schemes for saving your freight and logistic export costs. For any exporter, freight cost is one of the major costs of exporting their goods to overseas destinations. So both central and state government have specifically launched the following schemes to cause savings in freight costs for exporters. The first scheme is the Transport and Marketing Assistance or TMA scheme launched by central government and administered by DGFT. This is specifically designed to help reduce freight costs of exporters of certain food products like processed foods, dairy and marine. Under the scheme, a portion of sea or air freight paid by the exporter is reimbursed, and to avail the benefits of this scheme, an exporter of eligible products can apply online on the DGFT portal. Second scheme is the Export Promotion Mission or EPM scheme, a major central government initiative by the Government of India in late 2025 aiming to support exporters including MSMEs, wherein a sanction of 25,000 crores is allocated to strengthen export competitiveness of India. It includes assistance like financing support, interest subvention and export credit facilitation. While this is not purely a freight subsidy, it eases working capital and export cost burdens, which indirectly reduces the overall trade cost pressure such as logistics. Now, the third scheme is the Credit Guarantee Scheme for exporters. Now, this is not a freight subsidy either, but is relevant for eligible exporters because this scheme offers collateral-free credit guarantee support up to 20% of the sanctioned working capital limit of the exporter. This scheme shall be implemented by the Department of Financial Services through the National Credit Guarantee Trustee Company, a Government of India company that guarantees the loan sanctions by qualified banks and other lenders to eligible exporters under this scheme. And this company shall not charge any guarantee fee also from the lending banks. If you are a Haryana-based manufacturing MSME and have a Z certification, meaning zero defect, zero effect certification, then depending upon whether you have a gold, silver or bronze Z status, as per Haryana government's revised freight assistance scheme, you can get up to 100% subsidy on your FOB value depending upon your Z certification category. And last but not the least, the UP government has also announced its export promotion policy, which includes incentives like subsidized shipping, insurance and event participation etc. for exporters that achieve a 5 crore export benchmark. If this helped, you'll find similar GST and international law explainers on this channel. For updates that actually affect your compliance, you can follow along and share our content.